Welcome to the project demonstration of electrical vehicle battery management system along with fire protection. In this project, we are going to continuously monitoring the status of the batteries. So these three battery packs we are using, and parallelly we are going to checking the temperature using this DS18B20 temperature sensor. And whenever the temperature crosses threshold limit, then using this cooling fan we are going to regulate that. And also continuously we are going to monitor the load ampere rating from this motor using this current sensor, and the voltage of this battery pack will be monitored through these voltage sensors we are using, that is a 10:1 potential divider voltage ratio. And the next is to charge a battery normal and fast charging purpose, we are using these two relays, and that will be selected by these two switches, and these three relays automatically will get switched on whenever the battery is low charge, and it will provide us the indication through these relays and they will get switched on. And the whole system provided a power supply from this 230 volts AC input and 12 volts AC output from this transformer, and the 12 volts DC output using this regulated power supply board, which will take 12 volts AC and provide us the 12 volts DC, and that is a charging voltage for these three battery packs. And coming to the battery ratings, we are using a 12 volt 1 amp battery pack. Each battery pack consists of three batteries are connected in series, so we will get 4 volt 1 amp from the each battery, and these three are in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp. So totally 12 volt 3 amps battery pack of this electrical vehicle system. And this is the adapter. Through this we are going to provide as the 5 volts power supply to the microcontroller to make it run. Coming to the components wise, so this is the selection switch to fast and normal charging, LCD display which we have interfaced at the pin number B2 to B7, and this switch is at C2 C3, and this is the current sensor A3 pin, and its voltage sensors A0 A1 A2, and the three relays C5 C6 C7 C0 C1 for this normal and fast charging relays. And the next temperature sensor at the A4, fan is at B1 was connected. So these are the main input and output connections of our microcontroller. We are using PIC16F73 microcontroller. So let us see the demonstration. You can on the power supply to the motherboard, and then after you can see the welcome message on the LCD screen, and then on the power supply to this charging circuit. So this is a reset switch just to restart the microcontroller. Right, so here you can see the low battery pack 3. So just we are using this battery with low voltage just for showing purpose, easily demonstration for the battery charging section. So here we can see the battery pack 1 13.3 volts, and the battery pack 2 voltage is 6.2 volts, and the current rating also we can see on this one here, 0 milliamps is. So when we on this, so we can see the current rating is around 1120 milliamps. We are using the 1 amp DC motor here. So in order to make fast and normal charging, we are selecting these two relays. Right, now the battery will charge. So if the battery is low charge, keep this for maximum duration to keep it is charging. So you can see the relays getting on and off to charging of this battery. You can see the battery pack is charging now. And coming to the temperature also, just place any heat object over there. So it's 30 degrees. So I'm using the fire. Right. You can see the fan got switched on directly. So whenever the temperature crosses 45 degrees centigrade, then automatically the fan will get switched on. So keep this switches to on for making up the battery charging continuously. Right.